Emily here.
And Kelly.
And today we are doing another how-to with SBBlooms where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today we are taking a look from our fall winter lookbook, and it is with the Shelbie Collection. So we're super excited to show you that today. We added a Vaseless centerpiece to our Shelbie Collection, and we use that in the install today. Do we use any tools?
No, not a tool, not one.
That's true. I'm like,
all the products that you see in this video today will be listed in the description below this video, so they're easy to shop for.
Yeah, we really loved how this turned out. It took us less than 5 minutes.
No time.
Yeah,
at all.
So keep on watching. First things first, we're gonna start with the champagne tower. We have a little clear pillar on here that we also have linked in our Amazon storefront below, and we're just gonna place a grand centerpiece on top of that. We also had a grand centerpiece at the base of the table as well to kind of create some dimension. So I'll hand that to Kelly and she can put it on the side down there. Yeah, so I think we added a bridesmaid bouquet just to the corner, just to kind of add a little bit extra. But that's basically it. Very simple and easy, but it really elevates the whole table look. So great photo op, simple, easy, place and go. And you can reuse your grand centerpieces if you have them from your ceremony to your reception to create this. Next area that we're going to decorate is the sweetheart table.
The new Shelbie Vaseless centerpieces, and this is a Vaseless centerpiece, just like the name says. It doesn't have a compo on it. Comes to you just like this. It's kind of like a mini little meadow, but is very like dual purpose, triple purpose. You can do a lot with it.
Put two on the whatever. You could switch this if you wanted to, but two on one side and one on the other. I think these candlesticks are so underrated.
I know,
I really love
as much as they should be.
This is the Collapsible gold candelabra, and we kind of fed it through the centerpieces. All of our candlestick rentals come with candlesticks, so you just place them in. These are battery operated, so they are very user friendly. And that's it.
And there you have it, a very easy to do setup for your champagne tower and sweetheart table with our Shelbie Collection.
A little bit about how our how-to series works. We usually take requests from our audience, and you can fill out the form below and give us your ideas, your color palette. If you don't have a collection already, we can help you decide on that as well as the inspo picture, which is the most important, so we can have something to look at to recreate your dream wedding flower look. And sometimes we also poll our Instagram audience and get y'all's opinions on that as well to see what we can do next. And sometimes we just do kind of what we think, which is what we did today. If you want to submit your own requests, be sure to fill out the form in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye.